It's A4 People Rocks, the British Tech Guru. This is a practice padlock that I got, and I don't fancy my chances of picking it, even though it's absolutely clear. So let me get some tools out to play with. Well, that looks like a pretty good tool to try. Yeah, can't get that open. Okay, let's try a different tool. Let's try putting this in here. And oops, I need to get my tool in. There we go. I don't know, maybe that'll work, maybe not. Let's try a tool. So we're going to, and I have absolutely no doubt I'm not going to be able to do this. So don't think that goes far enough. Okay, let's try a different tool. Well, in fact, let's just see what we can do with this. Okay, got that one, that one, that one. Now, how do we get that one? Okay. Ah, there we go. Got that one. So, yeah, so I can poke each of them. I'm not getting the last one, am I? No, I'm not. I can get all of them except the last one. Why is the last one being so awkward? Try a different tool. And I'm just trying to get this last one to go up and down. If I can do that, then I might stand a chance of picking it. But I just yeah, I don't really think I've got all that much chance of picking it, to be honest. It's either the tools don't work properly, or I'm really not a good lockpick. Mind, I've never trained in lockpicking, and I've seen a few videos on it, and let's see what we can do. Oh, that sound made a little click then. So maybe. I don't know. I just don't think I'm doing this. I'm probably, and if the Lockpicking Lawyer is watching, he's probably just about wetting himself laughing. No. Ah, well, that was an abject failure. I put the key in. Yep, that works. And all I can say is I am a rank amateur. I have not yet successfully picked a lock, but I've had a good go. And I do have another lock, but another two locks, but I'm not going to pick them right now, or try to pick them right now. I think we proved that I'm not going to pick that anytime soon, which is a shame. But it was very interesting watching the pins going up and down as I prodded them. The fact I can't get the last pin, I don't know what's going on there. Anyway, something fun to play with. I'm not going to be doing many videos on lockpicking. I'm not the lockpicking lawyer. I just thought it'd be fun to try.